Hey guys! Today let's learn how to get ad-free Spotify without actually purchasing a premium plan. So just watch this video until the end, guys, and I'm going to show you how to get premium Spotify without purchasing or rather buying anything and spending any money. So first of all, since you have a Spotify or rather, I assume that you have a Spotify account already, and all you need to do, guys, once you're here on Spotify is to log into your free account playlist. So let's if you want to play your workout playlist. This is my workout playlist. All right. So all you need to do, guys, is to actually wait until an ad shows up. Now, it's not really the same as getting ad-free, like totally ad-free, but there is a turnaround or workaround on that wherein you could actually listen to the music of Spotify without really going through ads for quite a while. And all you need to do is to wait for the ad that says if you watch this ad till the end, you'll get 30 minutes of uninterrupted listening. So I just want you guys to listen for that prompt or those keywords where it says in the ads. And I want you guys to actually just listen to the whole ad. And basically, once you listen to that specific ad, you're going to have uninterrupted listening for 30 minutes, which is very nice. You won't really pay anything, and you're going to be able to have ad-free listening on Spotify as long as you watch out for that ad. So once you watch out for that ad, listen to it all the way through, and you're going to have 30 minutes for free. And we also have one more method, guys. And all you need to do is to actually, whenever you come across an ad, just basically when you skip this, and then there's an ad, just close the app and relaunch it. And the ad would be basically gone, and you're going to be able to play the music again ad-free. Okay, guys, that is how you get ad-free Spotify without premium in 2022. I'll see you in the next one.